The mind-muscle connection is a key aspect of successful strength training. It refers to the conscious effort to focus on the contraction of a specific muscle during an exercise. Instead of simply going through the motions, you are actively engaging your mind to target the muscle you want to work. This connection is crucial for maximizing muscle growth, strength gains, and overall exercise performance. Many people new to exercise may not realize the importance of this connection. They may focus on lifting heavy weights or completing a certain number of repetitions without paying attention to the muscles they are using. However, by developing a strong mind-muscle connection, you can significantly enhance your workout results. This connection allows you to isolate and target specific muscle groups more effectively. When you focus on the muscle being worked, you increase the activation of muscle fibers, which leads to greater muscle stimulation and growth. This means that you can get more out of each exercise and see faster progress towards your fitness goals. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the importance of mind-muscle connection, explore techniques to enhance it, and examine its practical applications in various exercises. By understanding and harnessing the power of your mind, you can unlock a new level of effectiveness in your fitness journey. Focus is paramount when it comes to maximizing the benefits of your workouts. When you are fully present and engaged in your exercise routine, you are more likely to maintain proper form, contract the targeted muscles effectively, and avoid injuries. Distractions, on the other hand, can hinder your progress and even lead to setbacks. Imagine yourself performing a bicep curl. If your mind is wandering, thinking about your to-do list or what you're having for dinner, you are less likely to be fully engaged in the exercise. Your movements may become sloppy, and you may not be contracting your biceps to their full potential. This lack of focus reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. However, when you shift your focus to the feeling of your biceps contracting with each repetition, something amazing happens. You become more aware of the muscle being worked, and you can consciously engage it more effectively. This heightened awareness allows you to isolate the biceps and maximize their activation, leading to better results. Focusing on the muscle being worked also helps you develop a better understanding of your body. You become more attuned to how your muscles feel during different exercises and can identify any imbalances or weaknesses. This awareness allows you to adjust your workouts accordingly and address any issues before they become major problems. Developing a strong mind-muscle connection is a skill that can be cultivated over time with practice and the right techniques. Here are some effective strategies to enhance your mind-muscle connection. 1. Visualization. Before and during your workout, visualize the muscle you want to target. Imagine it contracting and relaxing as you perform the exercise. This mental rehearsal helps to prime the neural pathways and improve muscle activation. 2. Slow and controlled movements. Instead of rushing through your repetitions, focus on performing each movement slowly and with control. This allows you to maintain tension on the muscle throughout the entire range of motion and enhances the mind-muscle connection. 3. Tactile cues. Lightly touching the muscle you are working can also help to increase activation. For example, when performing a bicep curl, you can gently place your fingers on your biceps to feel the muscle contract. 4. Pre-exhaustion training. This technique involves performing an isolation exercise for a specific muscle group before a compound exercise that also works that muscle group. For example, you could do leg extensions before squats. This pre-fatigues the target muscle, making it work harder during the compound exercise. While mind-muscle connection is beneficial for all exercises, certain movements particularly benefit from this heightened awareness. Here are a few examples. 1. Isolation exercises. Exercises that isolate a single muscle group, such as bicep curls, triceps extensions, and leg extensions, are highly dependent on a strong mind-muscle connection. This is because the focus is on contracting and controlling a single muscle, making it easier to establish that connection. 2. Compound exercises with unilateral variations. Compound exercises, such as squats and deadlifts, work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By incorporating unilateral variations, such as single-leg squats or lunges, you can increase the demand on the working leg and enhance the mind-muscle connection. 3. Cable exercises. Cable machines provide constant tension throughout the exercise, which can help to improve muscle activation. By focusing on squeezing the muscle at the peak of the contraction, you can further enhance the mind-muscle connection. 4. Bodyweight exercises. Even bodyweight exercises such as push-ups and pull-ups can benefit from a strong mind-muscle connection. By focusing on the contraction of the target muscles, you can increase the effectiveness of these exercises and build strength more efficiently. Section 5. Scientific evidence. Studies on mind-muscle connection. The effectiveness of the mind-muscle connection is not just anecdotal. It is supported by scientific research. Numerous studies have demonstrated the positive impact of this technique on muscle activation and hypertrophy, or muscle growth. One study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that focusing on the contraction of the biceps during bicep curls led to significantly greater muscle activation compared to performing the exercise without focus. This increased activation resulted in greater muscle growth over time. Another study published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology investigated the effects of internal focus of attention, which means focusing on the muscle, versus external focus of attention, which means focusing on the movement during a leg press exercise. The results showed that internal focus of attention led to greater muscle activity and force production. These studies, along with many others, provide compelling evidence that the mind-muscle connection is a real phenomenon with tangible benefits for strength training and muscle growth. Section 6. Practical applications of mind-muscle connection. The principles of mind-muscle connection can be applied to various aspects of your fitness journey, both inside and outside the gym. Here are some practical applications. First, improved technique and form. By focusing on the muscles being worked, you are more likely to maintain proper form and technique during exercises. This reduces the risk of injury and ensures that you are targeting the correct muscles effectively. Second, increased muscle growth. As mentioned earlier, a strong mind-muscle connection leads to greater muscle activation, which is essential for muscle growth. By maximizing muscle fiber recruitment, you can optimize your training for hypertrophy. Third, enhanced mind-body connection. Regularly practicing mind-muscle connection can improve your overall mind-body connection. This heightened awareness of your body can translate to other areas of your life, such as posture, balance, and coordination. Fourth, injury prevention. By being more in tune with your body and recognizing any potential warning signs, you can take steps to prevent injuries. For example, if you feel a muscle strain or discomfort during an exercise, you can stop and adjust your technique or choose a different exercise. Section 7. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While the concept of mind-muscle connection is relatively straightforward, there are some common mistakes that people make. First, going too heavy. Using weights that are too heavy can prevent you from establishing a strong mind-muscle connection. It's important to choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain proper form and focus on the muscle being worked. Second, rushing through repetitions. Performing repetitions too quickly can also hinder your mind-muscle connection. Focus on slow and controlled movements, emphasizing the contraction and extension of the target muscle. Third, distractions. Distractions such as loud music or conversations can make it difficult to maintain focus during your workout. Try to minimize distractions and create a conducive environment for concentration. Fourth, lack of patience. Developing a strong mind-muscle connection takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't feel it immediately. Be patient, consistent, and keep practicing the techniques outlined earlier. Section 8. Conclusion. Unlocking your fitness potential. The mind-muscle connection is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your workout results and unlock your fitness potential. By consciously engaging your mind and focusing on the muscles being worked, you can optimize muscle activation, improve technique, and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember to practice the techniques outlined in this essay, such as visualization, slow and controlled movements, and tactile cues. Experiment with different exercises and find what works best for you. With dedication and a focused mind, you can take your workouts to the next level and achieve a new level of physical mastery. Embrace the power of your mind and unleash the full potential of your body. Section 9. Additional resources for further exploration. For those interested in delving deeper into the science and application of mind-muscle connection, I recommend the following resources. The Mind-Muscle Connection by Dr. Brad Schoenfeld, Strength Training Anatomy by Frederick Delavier, and the New Encyclopedia of Modern Bodybuilding by Arnold Schwarzenegger. These resources provide valuable insights into the mechanisms behind mind-muscle connection, advanced training techniques, and exercise variations to maximize muscle growth and strength gains. We appreciate you tuning in to today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with future content.